Okay, next question. The radius of the circle is 14 centimeters. So radius of the circle r equal to 14 centimeters. The angle subtended by an arc at the center of the circle. Okay. So this is the center of the circle. Okay, its radius equal to 14 centimeters. This is the length of the arc. Okay, this is the angle made up of the arc at the center equal to 60 degrees. Okay, find the area of the sector. Find the area of the sector. Okay, you have to two ways. Already explained two formulae for finding the area of the sector. Okay, so in general formula is area of the sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Here this theta is in degrees. This is the general formula. Okay, if you have the angle in radians, you use another formula. What is that? Area of the sector is equal to 1 by 2 r square theta. 1 by 2 into r square theta. Here theta in radians. Here theta in degrees. Okay, you have to find out area of the sector in both ways. Okay, both radians and in degrees also. Okay, first one in radians of r means 14 into 14. Now you convert this theta equal to how much? 60 degrees. This is degrees converting into radians. How? So very simple. 60 into pi by pi radians by 180. 0 0 cancel. 6 ones are 6 threes are. That means pi radians by 3. Pi radians by 3. Substitute it. Pi radians by 3. But we have to find the value of area. Okay, so that is one of the measurement. So we have to use pi equal to 22 by 7 instead of the pi. Okay. So in geometry, if you have pi in that any formula, you should use 22 by 7. Okay, who use first pi in geometry? He is known as Euler. Euler used pi equal to 22 by 7 in geometry. Okay, so you use pi equal to 22 by 7 of 14 into 14 into 22 by 7 into 1 by 3. Pi by 3 can be expressed as pi into 1 by 3. So 22 by 7 into 1 by 3. Simplify it. 7 ones are 7 twos. 2 2 cancel. Okay, so that's enough. Remaining 14 twos are 28. 2 is remaining. 14 twos are 28 plus 2 30. So 3 naught. Okay, 308 by 3 centimeters square. This is the area of the sector with the help of radians. So with the help of degrees, theta equal to how much? 60 by 360 into pi means 22 by 7. In geometry, you should use the value of pi equal to 22 by 7. Okay, into r square means 14 into 14. Okay, 0 0 cancel. 6 ones are 6 6 are. 7 ones are 7 twos are. 2 ones are 2 threes are. 22 into 14, that equal to 308 by 3 centimeters. You get same answer to finding the area of the sector both the ways. Here theta in degrees. Here theta in radians. If you use any formula, you should get the same value of area of the sector. Okay. Okay. Next sum. If the difference of two acute angles of a right angle triangle. Okay. In a right angle triangle, for example, this is right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degrees and another two angles are acute angles. Another two angles are acute angles. Okay, so like angle 1 and like angle 2. Okay, they become acute angles. Already one angle occupied 90 degrees. The sum of remaining two acute angles equal to how much? A1 plus A2 equal to 90. Totally, the sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. In a right angle triangle, already one angle occupied 90 degrees. The sum of remaining two acute angles equal to how much? 90. So, this one 90 and this one 90, totally 180. And the difference of two acute angles of a right angle triangle is pi radians by 16. Okay, difference of two acute angles is equal to, difference means A1 minus A2, biggest angle minus smallest one, equal to pi radians by 6. They are in radians, convert into degrees. So A1 minus A2 equal to pi radians means 180 degrees by 6. 180 by 6. 6 1 ja 630. So A1 minus A2 equal to 30 degrees. Already explained, the sum of another two angles equal to how much? 90 degrees. Okay, let us consider second one. This is first one. Okay, so solve 1 and 2. Okay, so A1 plus A2 equal to 90. Okay, and second one, A1 minus A2 equal to 30 degrees. This is one, first one. Okay, solve it. So you eliminate any one of the angles from these two equations. Okay, you add them. A1, A2, both were cancelled. Remaining A1 plus A1, 2A1 equal to 120 degrees. So A1 equal to 120 by 2, that is equal to 60 degrees. We got one of the acute angle, that is 60. Another angle is 30 degrees. Okay, anyway, totally the sum of two acute angles equal to 90, because another angle already 90. Okay, so therefore you substitute that 60 degrees in first equation. 60 plus A2 equal to 90. A2 equal to 90 minus 60, that equal to 30. Therefore, two acute angles are, one is 60 and another one is 30 degrees. Okay. Next one, a wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. That means in 1 minute that wheel rotates 360 times. How many times? 360 times in 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? So in 1 second, how many rotations that wheel made? Okay, you have to find it first. Okay, so in 1 minute, 360 revolutions. In 1 second, that means 360 by, okay, in 1 minute 60 seconds are there. Okay, so 60, 0 0 cancel, remaining 6 1 ja 6 6 ja. That means in 1 second 6 revolution. How many revolutions? 6 revolution. In one revolution, that means in one complete turning, it makes 360 degrees. That means on complete angle. In one complete rotation, it makes 360 degrees. How many revolutions are there? 6 revolutions. That means in one revolution, it makes 360 degrees. Okay, in 6 revolutions, it makes 6 into 360 revolutions. That means 6 into 360 degrees. But we have to find out such angle in radians. Okay, already know pi radians equal to 180 degrees. Okay, that means 2 pi radians equal to how much? 360 degrees. Double of 180, that equal to 360. So that means 6 into, okay, 2 pi radians. 6 2s are how much? 12 radians. So how many radians? How many radians does it turn in 1 second? Okay, in 1 second it makes 12 radians. Okay, how many radians? 12 pi radians. 12 pi radians. That is the answer. Okay, so in 1 second, 6 revolutions. So that means 6 full turnings. Okay, one complete revolution it makes 360. 6 complete revolutions, 6 into 360. 360 converting into radians. Okay, so pi radians equal to 180. Okay, 360 means 2 pi radians. That equal to 360 equal to 2 pi radians. You substitute it, and 6 2 is 12 radians. 12 pi radians. So in 1 second, okay, it makes 12 pi radians. That is the answer.